Spreadsheets break down fast in small businesses. Too many files, too many versions, no clear system. Airtable fixes that though if it's set up correctly. In this video, I'll show you how to use Airtable for small business step by step in 2026, covering the exact setup most teams actually need. All right? First, create a dedicated workspace for your business. Click Add Workspace and name it after your business or department. Keeping business data separate from personal projects avoids confusion later. Before creating bases, decide what matters most. For most small businesses, that's tasks, projects, clients, or sales leads. Start with one core system instead of trying to track everything at once. Now, create your first base. Click Create a Base and start from scratch. Rename it clearly like Client Tracker, Task Manager, or Sales Pipeline. Each base should focus on one main purpose. All right? Structure matters here. Use text fields for names, single select for status, date fields for deadlines, and number fields for amounts. Avoid leaving everything as text. Correct field types keep reports clean. Next, create views. Add one view for active work, one for completed items, and one for planning. Views let different team members focus without changing the underlying data. Now, invite your team. Add members to the workspace and control their access. Give edit access only where needed. Most users should view or comment, not edit everything. All right? One big advantage for small businesses. Use sorting, filtering, and grouping to create instant reports. You can see overdue tasks, active clients, or open deals without extra tools. Finally, maintenance. Archive completed records, remove unused fields, and review views regularly. Airtable works best when the system stays simple and clean, and that's how to use Airtable in a small business the right way. Start simple, structure your data, and grow the system as your business grows. Done right, Airtable becomes your central operating hub.